Look. Mosquito.
Where is it?
Right there. You see it? See it?
I want to squish it.
Where'd it go? Oh. Oh. Where's it? Did you squish it? Where'd it go? I don't see it.
Let's squish it. Where's that go?
Where did it go? I don't know.
We probably squish spiders.
You squish spiders and mosquitoes? Shh, don't talk too loud.
Where did it go?
I don't know. I'm scared. Oh, you want the fly swatter?
It's up there.
Okay, go squish it.
Where is it?
I don't know. Let's go find it.
Come here.
Is it? I don't see it. I think you're teasing.
I knew squish one.
Shh.
I knew squish one. Squish
I don't know where it is. No, you're teasing. You're teasing. Did you get it?
What's that noise?
Spiders.
Yeah, it's right here.
Did you get it? Is it all gone?
What's that noise?
Spiders.
I'm scared. I'm scared.
Are you scared of spiders? Monsters.
That's just fireworks.
You think it's fireworks? It sounds like monsters to me.
No, it's just a fan. It's just a fan.
Sounds like monsters.
It's just a fan.
Where?
I'm just a fan spinning.
What fan?
A fan spinning in the bedroom.
Come here. I think I hear it.
It's a fan. It's just a fan. It's just a fan.
Are you sure?
You're not scared. It's just a fan.
I'm a little bit scared.
It's just a fan. You're not scared. It's just a fan. It's no more spiders.
Sit there in here. Listen. There's monsters in there! There's monsters in there. Listen. Yeah, there's monsters in there.
It's just, you're not scared. It's no more spiders here. No more spiders here. It's not monsters. It's just a fanny spinning. You're not scared of the spiders.
A little bit.
No,
They're a little scary.
no, it's up there.
Are you sure? Should we check for monsters? Here, look. Look in here. Look in the dryer. Look. Look in here. Turn around. Open it up. Look for spiders. Look for monsters. Monsters?